Hello everyone, welcome to Where to Park episode 16. Today I'll be showing you where to park at the Singapore Sports Hub, which is beside Stadium MRT. Motorcycle parking here is free, but it's only available at the basement car parks and not the multi-storey car park. The basement car parks offer easy access to Kallang Wave Mall, OCBC Arena and the National Stadium. There are 3 entrances and 3 exits for this car park. The first entrance can be found using this address. Look out for the car park sign leading to Kallang Wave and head down the ramp. Motorcycle parking here is free, just keep to the left at the gantry. Once you pass the gantry, you'll find many lots at Pillar B1. If taken, make a U-turn here and take a left. Head to the last row and you find a lobby with a travelator leading up to the FairPrice at Kallang Wave Mall. For more lots, keep heading straight towards Pillar B8. Turn left at the pedestrian crossing and you find more designated lots in front of this lobby. The escalator here will take you up to the middle of Kallang Wave Mall. For more parking, take a left here and turn right at the stop line. Keep heading straight to Pillar B11. The lots here are closest to Climb Central at Kallang Wave Mall, and you can find them behind the car lots. There are also more lots available behind the car lots at Pillar B12. For parking nearer the OCBC Arena, take a left at the stop line and head straight. Turn right at the next junction and turn right again. Keep heading straight to Pillar C7. Turn right at this stop line and you'll find designated bike lots beside the escalator. For more parking, turn right at the end. Then make another right at the stop line. Keep heading straight to Pillar C15. On the right, you find a big motorcycle parking area. To head back to the Kallang Wave Mall entrance, make a U-turn here and keep heading straight until you reach Pillar B1. The first exit is nearby Kallang Wave Mall and will take you out onto Stadium Road and Nico Highway. Once again, parking here is free, just keep to the left at the gantry. You can turn left here to head onto the KPE. Or turn left here to head to the city via Nico Highway. The second entrance is nearby OCBC Arena and can be found using this address. Look out for the car park sign leading to OCBC Arena and turn into the car park. Once past the gantry, you'll find the same lots as earlier beside pillar C15. The second exit is also at OCBC Arena. This exit will take you back out onto Stadium Drive. The last entrance is also along Stadium Drive and will take you directly to Carpark D. Look out for the car park sign leading to National Stadium and head down the ramp. I wouldn't recommend using this entrance because the gap is rather narrow. Once past the gantry, you'll find the same lots as earlier on the left beside pillar C15. The third exit is at Carpark D and will take you out onto Stadium Drive as well. For those heading to the indoor stadium, do note that motorcycle parking is strictly not allowed. Kallang Leisure Mall does not allow motorcycle parking as well. The closest motorcycle parking to both these locations will be the open air car park beside the indoor stadium. There isn't an exact GPS address for this car park, but it is nearby this address. The parking rate here for motorcycles is 65 cents per parking session. Once past the gantry, turn left and head straight to the end. You'll find a row of motorcycle lots here. Well, that's all for these car parks. Hope you enjoyed the guide, and as always, happy riding.